Hi, it's day 2 of 30 Days to Clutter-Free Living. Yesterday, we were just getting very clear on our intentions so that we have something to remind ourselves of why we're doing this. And this year for me, it's really just about feeling a lot lighter. Things tend to accumulate even in the most organized of spaces, and I just love the opportunity to go through and very mindfully remove items that I no longer want. So that was yesterday. That's my why. Hopefully you got very clear on yours. Today, so easy. We're just going to be sharing our goals with others. So think about how you would like to do that. If you are like me, you can do before and after videos every day and post them on your social media. If that's not your thing, it could be something as simple as texting a friend and saying, hey, I'm doing this clutter-free challenge. Do you want to do it with me? Or let them know what your goal is. Within 30 days, I plan to have removed 7 boxes of things from my house. Whatever your goal is, just share it with the people around you who you think will support you and encourage you on this journey, and then check back in with them. It's statistically proven that when you share your goals with others, you're something like 42% more likely to achieve them. So we want you to succeed, and we love seeing before and afters. So if you do take photos and you're posting to social, then be sure to tag us. It's at composed_living on Instagram, or find us on Facebook. Yeah, I would love to see your progress and give you some tips and encouragement along the way.